Hi, this is It's Art and Craft channel. Today we will turn a pumpkin painting to a Halloween pumpkin. Are you ready for trick or treat? Draw 2 triangles for the eyes. Just follow the video. If you are having a hard time making a triangle, use a ruler. Draw 1 smaller triangle for the nose. After which, draw a curve for the mouth and draw 2 big teeth. Just follow along. Pause the video if you have to so you can catch up. Don't worry, we are never in a hurry when it comes to painting. It's time to paint. You will be needing 1 brush and a black paint. It's easier to use a round brush. Choose a small round brush because the edges can be a challenge. When you are using a water-soluble paint such as watercolor, acrylic, and gouache, you can wet the tip of the paintbrush with water. It makes paint application so much easier. Subscribe for more arts and craft techniques.